up, you guys? Welcome back. Today we are doing an unboxing. It's a big box. Okay, so today we have the Fall 2021 FabFitFun box. I will leave information, links to FabFitFun, and all of the products inside of the box down below. I also have my add-on haul, which will be done after I do the unboxing, and the add-on haul, all those products will also be linked down below. I will also have timestamps. There's a lot that goes on in these videos, you guys. I'm gonna have timestamps down below as well. If you only want to watch the add-on haul, because I know some people only like that, you can just skip straight ahead to that, and you'll be good to go there. If you are not aware, FabFitFun is a seasonal lifestyle subscription that sends subscribers 8 to 10 items every season worth over $200. And then if you are a select member, you get to choose, I think, like 5 items in every box. And if you're, and select is annual, so if you pay annually. And if you are quarterly, you get to select, I think, like 3 items in every box. So it is decently customizable, which I like. I will say the choices for this season weren't the greatest for me. There wasn't like a whole lot that I was super into. So this was more disappointing in terms of that. I will also say I don't remember anything at all that I picked out. So it'll be interesting to see what we ended up with here. So every FabFitFun box comes with this catalog, and these are honestly really great. They include information about all the products, brands, the charity that FabFitFun is supporting this quarter, and literally just so much information, workouts and fun recipes and things like that. So I strongly recommend taking a peek through this. There's just a lot of really cool stuff in here, and it's definitely worth checking out in my opinion. So let's get into the actual box. We've got some promo code things here. So the first thing that we have, I will say this quarter's like catalog information booklet thing doesn't have all the products listed out, so I don't know what orders these came in, but the first product I have here is a set of Fekkai products. This is the Technician Color Treatment Mask. It is a powerful flash mask, and then we have the Super Strength Treatment Mask, a roots to end balm. So I did end up choosing these because I'm really into hair masks. Y'all know this, like hair masks and me go hand in hand. This one I liked because it is meant for color treated hair, and it has no silicone, no sulfate, no parabens in it. It is vegan and sustainable. This is a silicone-free in-shower flash mask for long-lasting color protection in an instant. I'm really excited to try this out since I do color my hair. And then this one, this is the Super Strength Treatment Mask. This is a roots to end strengthening balm that repairs hair and prevents breakage while rebuilding hair bonds. You also use this in the shower after shampooing. Apply a generous amount from roots to ends, leave on for 3 to 4 minutes, and then rinse with water. Both of these I will use. This was a nice little choice because it was a cool duo. I think whatever choice this was, I feel like going back now, this was like the choice that I had the hardest time deciding between because there was something else that I wanted as well. But this is what I ended up going with, and I'm excited about both of these. This is 5 ounces, this is 4 fluid ounces, and this is products that I will definitely use, and I'm really excited about that. The next products we have in here are also hair products. They are from Amika. This is the Kure Bond Repair Shampoo, and this is the Kure Bond Repair Conditioner. First of all, I love the duo aspect. I love getting a shampoo and a conditioner because I do like to try to use them together. That doesn't always work out for me, but it is always my goal. And then this line, the Kure, I have a couple masks from them that I've gotten from BoxyCharm, and oh my god, it is so good. It is the best for my hair. So I'm really interested in trying these out. It is a bond repair line. It is supposed to strengthen, hydrate, soften, and bring back dry, damaged hair from the breaking point. The mask, like I said, works wonders for my hair, and I love it. So I'm really excited to try these out, especially in the box, because Amika products are really good, but they're very expensive. And Amika is one of my favorite hair care brands. So yes, I love that. I'm very excited about those. Next product in here, I swear to you I didn't do this on purpose. This is the Gloss Moderne Clean Luxury Hair Mask. Yeah, I ended up getting another one. I don't remember, you guys, I was so used to them having all the products listed in the catalog, and I don't understand why they didn't do that. It says in the front of the catalog that there's like a QR code that you can click on. I did that and it just brought up my choices, but I don't remember what the choices were, and I don't remember why I got so much hair stuff. I have used this hair mask before though, and it's very good. Obviously, like I said, I remember the choices. I wasn't like super thrilled about a lot of them. Hair masks though, I will use. I wish this was bigger. This one's only 3.4 fluid ounces, but like I said, I'll use it, and I have tried this one before and I do like it, so we'll stick with it. We'll go. It's good. The next product in here, this is not hair. This is from Korres. This is the Santorini Grape Renewing Body Cleanser. I love the Korres body cleansers. They are so nice. I really want to know what this one smells like though. I had to blind buy this one because obviously I couldn't just go sniffing it online. Ooh, that smells so good. Okay, yes. I really like these cleansers. They lather up nicely. And they are pretty hydrating on the skin, like they don't strip my skin or make it dry or anything like that. And this one smells really nice. It is 8.45 fluid ounces, and I'm really excited about this one because obviously body wash is something that I go through very quickly. And any extras, you guys, I gotta hoard them. I have to hoard them. And I especially like getting like fancier brands of body wash in subscription boxes because I don't know how much this costs, but I guarantee you it's not a price that I would want to pay for this. So it's definitely nice to be able to kind of get the body washes that I like, the fancier body washes, without paying the full price for them. Okay, next I have a bag. I'm thinking this is a sponsored freebie. Try Heineken 0.0, 0.0% alcohol, 100% taste, hashtag now you can. Oh my god! Okay, this is a sponsored freebie. This is literally a non-alcoholic can of Heineken. Okay. Here's my thing. I don't want to offend anyone. I don't like, so if you like this, that's awesome. This is like my husband's favorite beer. So no shade meant, but I don't like Heineken. It's very strong. It's got like that kind of skunky taste to it. I'm not a big fan. Why would you drink, like of all alcoholic beverages, why Heineken would you drink non-alcoholic? I'm into it though. I'm into it. There's also, I might as well go ahead and point this out. There is a second sponsored freebie. It is the Dove Advanced Care Cool Essentials Spray and Go Deodorant. Dove is a cruelty-free brand, which is awesome because that means I will get to use this. But definitely interesting sponsored freebies this time. Sponsored freebies, if you don't know, are just freebies that they throw in with boxes. Sometimes they'll have them during edit sales where you can add them onto your cart, and they are just little free goodies from companies that are sponsoring the box. There's 2 more products in the box this time. The first one is, well, the second to last one is workout stuff. I think last box I actually got something similar to this, but I like these, okay, because they offer these up every once in a while. This one is from Camp Gladiator. And I love these because first of all, not only do you get some type of workout gear, this one came with a jump rope, and I have been having the hardest time finding a jump rope that I like. I don't understand why it's so difficult for me. I think I just bought like a second one because I hated the first one, and the second one isn't the greatest either, but I like this because this is not plastic, it's like a rope, which I like a lot better, and the only ones that I can find are plastic, and these have good grips on them. So, came with a jump rope, but then it also comes with a code to get 3 months of free workouts from Camp Gladiator. So for this one, for example, as soon as you enroll, you will have immediate access to 3 months of Camp Gladiator's virtual workout program, and it expires 3 months after enrollment date. If you wish to continue after your offer expires, you can opt in to any of the memberships. So as far as I know, you don't have to put a credit card in. The one that I've used, you haven't had to put a credit card in, but I have several of these actually, and I need to go through and figure out which ones are going to expire because I don't want them to go to waste. But I think it's a really great value because obviously it's nice to have access to the workout classes, and I have been able to, you know, get a lot of really nice workout equipment, also get access to several different companies that do workout classes, and it has been really easy to figure out which ones I like, which ones I don't like. I love that. The last product in here is probably one that I'm most excited about. This is from Coach. It was really exciting to me that this is like one of the choice items because Coach makes the prettiest jewelry. It comes in its own little dust bag, which I love. You've got the little information booklet, and then this is actually a little set. It has this gorgeous necklace with the little Coach emblem and then a gemstone in the middle, and then it has these earrings that are little flowers. They are seriously so pretty. This is such a cute set. I'm super excited for it, and I love jewelry like this, so this will definitely get a lot of wear from me. This and the hair stuff were the most exciting aspects of this round. So I will use everything that I got in this box. I just think that a lot of the choices, normally I have a really hard time picking between what I want. In this particular case, that was not what happened. It was decently cut and dry. There wasn't a lot of like going back and forth and, oh, should I just add this on for the extra $10 because I really want both of these things. Normally that is what happens for me, but this time it was like, nope, this is the only one that I'm really interested in. So hopefully next quarter they have better choices, because this wasn't it. Okay, so now we can go through my add-ons. I actually didn't get like a whole lot of add-ons this time, much less than I normally do, but I'm excited about them all. I was trying to be a little bit more mindful this time about what I wanted to get. I was trying to put a little bit more thought into it, and I think I did a decent job of that. So let's go ahead and go through them. The first thing that I got was this set of XO Sienna mugs. I recently set up a coffee bar in my house. I do have a video on that. It's coming soon. eventually. I'm really behind on videos right now, but I recently like did set up a whole coffee bar area in my kitchen or my dining room or whatever, and I saw these mugs and I was like, yes. I actually have jars from Sienna in my makeup room that hold like brushes and things that are the same kind of celestial theme, but this set came with 2 mugs. One is blue, one is gray, and they just have the cutest little moon and star and sun patterns on them, and I love them. I think they're so cute. And I have a little bit of space for extra mugs because I ended up getting rid of a few that were just like older that I really didn't like, that we've just had forever, and Lord only knows why we have them. So I'm really excited to bring in some mugs that I'm actually excited about that are really cute. So I love these, they're so adorable. Okay, I did end up getting a couple of bath products, and when I was looking at these, I was actually sitting there thinking to myself, oh, I probably shouldn't, because I'm kind of at max capacity for bath products right now, and it's really not the greatest idea. But I was really intrigued by these. Okay, so the first one is by Pursoma. This is the Beyond the Body's Ritual Hot Tub. It is the cold and flu symptom relief. 1 bag equals 1 bath treatment. I feel like I've tried something like this before. I don't think it was this hot tub one. I could be wrong, but I'm really interested in this. So this is perfect for when you're feeling run down from seasonal symptoms like runny nose, chest congestion, body aches, and fatigue. This nurturing bath experience is a self-care prescription you need. So I'm really excited about this. I am going to save it for the next time that I get sick. Knock on wood, that won't be for a very long time. But obviously winter's coming up, cold and flu season, you guys. I'm excited about it. I really want to try this out. So I ended up grabbing this because I figured it was a little bit different. Okay, and then I saw this. This is the Bathologist Fizzy Bath Soak / Bath Salt Sleep. It's lavender and fresh mint. Obviously when I take baths, I take them at night. I have a lot of bath salts, but I don't have any that are specifically meant to help you sleep. And I love like lavender scented stuff, especially at nighttime when I'm trying to take a nice relaxing bath. And I just couldn't pass these up. Plus this bag is huge. This is 32 ounces and this is a cruelty-free brand. So I grabbed this, couldn't pass it up. I'm super obsessed. Okay, this next one, this was a little bit interesting. First of all, the box is crushed, but I saw this brand. This is a brand Blume, and this is a 16-pack of tampons. So this brand I think is sold at Target. I know I've seen them before. I'm pretty sure that they're sold at Target, but there's no chlorine bleaching, no synthetic fibers, no fragrances or anything like that. I actually really like this packaging. I know that's weird, but I really like the packaging of these. I think it's cute. But I picked these up from there because this is cheaper than a Target, and I'm looking for tampons that aren't like the Always brand. Like I want like kind of more better for you tampons, I guess. So I'm trying out a couple of different brands that they have at Target, trying to figure out which ones I like. This just happened to be, this was the next brand I was gonna try. Like I said, I think at Target. I've heard of this brand before, but I was planning to try this one next, and this was cheaper than wherever I saw them. Was it Target? So I grabbed these. We'll see how I like them. I don't know yet. I also grabbed a pack of the Corona Hydrogel Eye Masks in Sakura Rose. Why? I don't know. I really like to grab these containers of eye gels when they're cheap, like when I can get them in Boxy or in the FabFitFun sales or whatever, because these containers are normally really expensive, but I use a container a month because I use them every day while I'm doing my eye makeup. I have them on underneath my eyes because it really makes my under eye area hydrated and prepped for my like face makeup and everything, and I love that. I'm noticing a lot less cakiness under my eyes and a lot less like dryness when I use these. So I've been using these consistently for months now and I love them, but they're really expensive just to buy like the container. So I try to get them when they're on sale. So now I have a nice little back stock, but I'm okay with that because I use them on a regular basis. I'm running out of room. I need to use them faster. Okay, and then last but not least, I got a couple pieces of jewelry. Like I said, I didn't get as much as I normally do this time. I normally go a little bit crazy with the FabFitFun add-ons, just like I do with Boxy Pop-Up. But this month, there just wasn't a whole lot that I was like super into. So I got what I wanted and I left the rest. I had a bigger cart than this actually, but like I said, I'm trying to be more mindful about the shopping that I do. So I left a lot of it behind. One of the things that I got though was this ring, this silver like love knot ring. I love that. I think it's so simple and so pretty. I normally wear a lot of rings. Of course I'm not wearing any today, but this is like right up my alley and I love these like kind of dainty rings because you can pair them with a lot of different things. So I thought that was so cute. I loved it. And then I also, because I of course had to get something else Coach. Now I am proud of myself because they had several Coach things in add-ons this time, and I only purchased one. I had a lot of them in my cart. But the Coach products, even in add-ons, are pretty expensive, so I put them all back except for this one because this was my absolute favorite. I have a bracelet like this that I got from a previous add-on sale, and honestly, this one was just so pretty and I was like, yes, I need to have it. This is a cuff and it's just a gold and black cuff, but on the very front, you have the little carriage design. Oh my God, I think that is so cute. And like I said, I have bracelets that this will pair perfectly with, and I really like these bracelets. They fit really comfortably and I love the little locking mechanism because it's magnetic. I like these a lot. And they're just so pretty. So I ended up grabbing this one as well because I did. Okay. Anyways, that is literally all I got from FabFitFun add-ons. I will say, I am pretty proud of myself because I don't think that I overbought this time. I bought stuff I wanted and that I knew I would use. I'm very proud of myself. Same with my choices. There were a couple of things that I was like, oh, that'd be so great to have. But like realistically speaking, would I actually use it? No. So I stuck with stuff I know I would use. I stuck with hair masks and shampoos and conditioners and body washes because I will use those. So that is it for today. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys got in your FabFitFun. Did you like the choices this quarter? Like, meh. I wasn't super thrilled. Let me know down below what you got, and I'll catch you guys next time. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that bigger subscribe button if you'd like to see more of me or my upcoming coffee bar. Bye, guys.